Phil with Buck and Buck, and I'm here to tell you about our Velcro Fly dress slacks. And these are a great pair of pants. I'm wearing them right now. I can show you. Very easy to open with the Velcro Fly and Velcro clasp as opposed to the traditional button clasp and button fly. Close them. It's very easy as well. Just fold it, touch it, and it looks great. And they're made of all polyester. They're made by Haggar, which is a great brand of slacks. And you can see that there's also some added elastic in the waistband, so if you're ordering these pants for somebody else and you don't quite know the size, this will give you a little extra wiggle room. It'll give the wearer a little added comfort as well. Again, the Velcro Fly dress slacks, they feel great, they look great. We hope they'll be a great solution for you.